So today we are at 6 Gear Automotive to install not one but two mini GPs. This will be our third set installed with the Veleno Performance catback exhaust. So the mini GP, worldwide there are only 3,000 units. So this is an extremely rare car. Even for Malaysia, Auto Barbera is only allocated with 10 units and they are all sold out. So we have two here in Shah Alam, which we are very thankful for our customer that believe in us. So without further ado, let's go right ahead into the installation. So that is already laid out. I'm going to show you guys how our items comes in the box, how is it packaged to make sure it is not damaged during transit and whatever delivery. So you see everything is well sealed and well cushioned to make sure the items are safe and won't be damaged during delivery. Look at the muffler, the Mini Cooper mid muffler. Look at this, our signature electric valve remote control. Look at this. Look at the quality. Amazing quality. Very sturdy, very heavy. Made out of metal. Okay guys, so we have one set laid out right here. So let me walk you through what consists of the mini GP exhaust. Okay, we can, starting from the connectors to the headers. Connectors of the downpipe, we have two types. So one is the V-clamp and the other one is the standard exhaust clamp. So we ship two variations because sometimes there are different variations for the mini models. So we ensure that you can have a smooth installation, which is why we have two variants just in case. Have a closer look. So this will be the V-clamp connector. So we'll be using this one instead for this installation. As you can see, is a straight through piping. Then we have the muffler. Look at the stock muffler. All the sound is muffled out. So with our Veleno muffler installed, you can expect definitely 100% sound increase. Look at this muffler design. It's so much smaller compared to the stock ones. See, look at the forge. The customer opt with our best-selling forged carbon tips, made out of pure forged carbon. Very beautiful tips. Alright guys, so it's only 3:22 and the guys at 6 Gear Automotive is already done with two installations for the mini GP. We started around 11:30 with a 1 hour lunch break, so on average it's 1.5 hours per car. So both cars are similar and the same, so let's hear how does the sound like. This is how a 2.0 inline 4-cylinder should sound like. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. 2 mini GPs in one day. Stay tuned for more.